Web 3.0 is a term used to describe the next generation of the Internet. The top 5 cryptos on the Web3 are Chainlink, Ocean Protocol, Filecoin, and Helium. Each of the above crypto coins supports the Web 3.0 ecosystem in different ways. Today we will be explaining these altcoins. Do you know all these 5 coins? If so, let us know in the comments which one is your favorite. If you are not yet aware of these 5 best coins in Web3, then make sure to watch this video till the end. Web3 has become one of the biggest buzzwords in tech. Initially coined by Ethereum co-founder Gavin Wood, it refers to the next generation of the Internet, which aspires to take back control from centralized entities and ensure our personal information remains private. Blockchain technology and artificial intelligence are at the core of many cutting-edge concepts being explored ostensibly without intermediaries. Chainlink is a decentralized network of nodes that provide data and information from off-blockchain sources to on-blockchain smart contracts via oracles. This process, along with extra secure hardware, eliminates the reliability issues of using only a single centralized source. This blockchain middleware meant that Chainlink oracles could provide essential information such as price feeds, event results, and links to traditional payment systems without sacrificing decentralization or security. Chainlink's use is demonstrated by its long list of partners, such as Polkadot and Synthetix from the crypto world and Swift and Google from the traditional business world. The use of Chainlink by Swift creates a seamless interaction between the traditional and crypto worlds while minimizing the potential points of failure. For instance, a real-world money transfer can be sent into the blockchain from Swift via Chainlink. Then proof the payment was received could be sent back via Chainlink to Swift. Chainlink is a decentralized oracle network consisting of purchasers and providers of data. Purchasers request data, and providers securely return data. Purchasers select the data they want, and providers bid to provide it. Once providers are chosen, it is their job to bring the correct answers to the chain. Providers must commit a stake of linked tokens when they bid, which can be taken away if they misbehave. Chainlink uses an oracle reputation system to aggregate and weight the data provided. If everything goes smoothly, providers get paid, and everyone is happy. Ocean Protocol. Ocean is an open-source protocol that aims to allow businesses and individuals to exchange and monetize data and database services. Built on top of the Ethereum blockchain, the Ocean Protocol uses data tokens to gain access to datasets. The tokens are then redeemed by users who need access to the information. The Ocean is seeking to make the datasets on its platform available to startups and researchers without the data having to leave the hands of those who store it. Ocean software is built to facilitate this data exchange, linking users who need data or do not have resources to store it with those who have resources to spare. Ocean enables marketplaces to implement its protocol to connect parties and facilitate transactions. For example, Ocean Market, created by the Ocean team, is where data tokens are publicly available for trade. Compute to Data is Ocean's feature that allows data sharing while preserving user privacy. Using this, data tokens enable consumers to leverage certain portions of a dataset to run specific computing jobs, thus supporting the development of research or artificial intelligence while keeping certain user information private. Polkadot. Polkadot was developed by the Web3 Foundation, led by the co-founder of Ethereum, Gavin Wood. This project was born out of the need to have a platform that could run several chains in a decentralized and parallel way, being able to adapt to the innovations of the network. Polkadot is a network designed to join the dots with all other networks. It's commonly referred to as a multi-chain network because it can join networks together, unlike networks like Bitcoin, which operates independently. Its ultimate aim is to act as a framework for all blockchains that opt in, like how HTML allows sites, browsers, and servers to interact. The idea is to take care of messy and costly cryptocurrency mining processes, including validation of transactions and security protocols, and enable developers to focus on creating DApp and smart contract functionality. Blockchains can connect with Polkadot and work in parallel as so-called parachains to access the network's proof-of-stake validation of transactions and security. In the network's so-called relay chain, transaction addresses are checked and data is standardized so that every system can understand it. This is where all the chains pool security. While functionality is taken care of, blockchains connected to Polkadot can use their own POS mechanism, decide when how to update their code, and run the dApps or tokens they choose. It's essentially a pick-and-chosen layer that allows networks to preserve their own security and incorporate new protocols. Developers who are building innovative, decentralized systems currently have to engineer these systems from the ground up. This also means that time, talent, and resources are diverted into building competing networks, rather than creating a standard everyone builds off. That's Polkadot's aim: to make way for developers to build value on top of all blockchains, rather than just one. Filecoin. The Filecoin network is a decentralized data storage network. It has been developed by Protocol Labs, an open-source R&D lab. Filecoin allows its users to sell their excess storage space on an open platform. It acts as an incentive and security layer for IPFS. Filecoin enables the IPFS storage system to act as an algorithmic market. Using this market, users can interact with storage providers. Users pay using Filecoin's native token, Fil, in exchange for storing and distributing data on the network. In short, IPFS is the backbone, and the Filecoin network is the surface market layer. The Filecoin network works on a proof-of-work model. Unlike Bitcoin, Filecoin's POW is related to the storage of data. The work done proves that a miner has stored data for a specific time period. Filecoin uses two types of proof-of-work proofs to prove the work done: proof of replication and proof of spacetime. Proof of replication allows the network to confirm data replication to a unique location, whereas proof of spacetime enables the network to verify that the data is stored for a specific duration of time. Combining the two, Filecoin manages large-scale storage networks with multiple independent parties. Therefore, removing the possibility of forgery of data storage records increases mining rewards. Filecoin's competitors like Storj and Siacoin lack this functionality. The miner proofs used to create a network are based on three methods: put, get, manage. Put and get methods are used for storing and accessing data in the storage on the client's request. Filecoin has two marketplaces. One is for storage, and the other one is for retrieval. The managing method is used for managing the marketplace by matching buy and sell orders on the platform. Storage miners receive put requests and are responsible for the storage of data. To keep the data safe, miners must pledge collateral proportional to the data stored. Retrieval miners receive requests and are responsible for fetching the client's data. Both the miners receive rewards for the network's native coin Fil. Helium. Helium is a blockchain-based network that connects IoT devices. Helium technology enables communication between the devices while the system sends data across the network nodes. The nodes that compose the network are known as hotspots in the Helium system. The hotspots provide public network coverage and rely on Low-Rot WAN. Low-Rot WAN is a media access control layer protocol with a cloud component to which platforms like Helium can connect. Helium aims to create a reliable, decentralized, and global network for IoT devices that rely on the community of HNT holders. The network consists of nodes, hotspots, that are run by node operators who are HNT holders. By hosting hotspots and managing nodes, users are incentivized to participate in the network's functionality. Wi-Fi already has support for IoT devices. However, supporting as many different devices as possible brings up privacy concerns. Helium solves this issue using a decentralized architecture and consensus mechanism that gives the network 200 times greater coverage compared with Wi-Fi connection with the IoT. The consensus mechanism that the network runs on is known as proof of coverage and is also responsible for distributing rewards to HNT holders and node operators. Users need to purchase a mining device from the Helium website to set up hotspots. Miners produce radio frequencies by connecting to the network, while the proof of coverage mechanism validates hotspot locations. New cryptocurrencies are emerging all the time. Given how there are multiple decentralized storage providers wrestling market share away from AWS, with a plethora of metaverse platforms offering their own virtual worlds, it seems inevitable there will be consolidation in the years to come. It is crucial to do your own research and find projects you believe in. Well, guys, that's all we have for you today. Which category shall we make a top 5 on next? Is there a particular coin that you would have liked to see in this video? Let us know in the comments and we'll make a video about it. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a video on the latest cryptocurrency news. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a great day today, And as always, we'll see you in the next video.